Welcome back, guys. It's the Tightwaddiy, and today I'm going to show you how to install a EUFY Security 2K video doorbell. Let's get started.
EUFY sent me this battery-powered video doorbell. It's a 2K HD version to try out. So I'm going to show you how to install it today and tell you a few of the features. These are all the parts that come in the box for the doorbell. This is a key to be able to remove the doorbell. This is your mounting bracket. This is a little 15-degree angle bracket, so you can make it lean one way or another to get a different angle for the camera. This is the doorbell itself. It is a lot bigger than the Ring Video Doorbell Pro that we previously had, but we're gonna plug it in and see if we like this one better or not. This is wiring and the screws and the mounting hardware for the doorbell. The doorbell wirelessly connects to this product called the home base. This stays in our bedroom and it's connected to power and to our in-home network. This is where all the videos from the doorbell are stored. The first step in replacing your doorbell is to locate the correct circuit breaker in your box. Mine is on this one, and turn it off. The doorbell comes with a sticker that you can put on as a template, and I cut out the center so that my wires would fit through it. And that indicates where I need to drill the holes for my camera. So then I can take my drill and I can pre-drill for my holes. This works really well for wood, as well as if you're having to put anchors in. So I'm just gonna drill out where my screws go here. And that'll make driving the screws a lot easier when we're putting our mounting bracket on. So now I can pull this off and line this up over those same holes. I should be able to drive these screws with a screwdriver instead of having to drill, but I can also use my drill if I need to. So I'm going to get that one started but not tighten it up. And then I'm going to get the bottom one started as well. Now that they're both started, I can go ahead and tighten them down. Making sure that the bracket is perfectly positioned before I tighten them down. There's a little bit of wiggle room left and right here. And that part is done. So now I have these two wires, and they're kind of short, and they provided an extension that I can attach to each of these wires. So I'm going to attach the extension using the wire nuts, and then we'll move forward. To do this part, you just take the extensions that they provided and pull off the black coating on the tip. I'm going to twist them a little bit clockwise, and then I'm going to take one of my wires and I'm going to twist it together again clockwise. So you're always twisting clockwise, because when you put on the wire nut, it screws on clockwise as well, and it just tightens those wires even more. While I get this finished, it'd be awesome if you'd click that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Give your wire a little bit of a tug to make sure it's not going to come out, and make sure that wire nut is holding it securely. Then I'm going to repeat the process here. I'm going to pull off this little cap on the wires. I'm going to twist them just a little bit, and then I'm going to put it together with this other one. And you don't have to pre-twist wires when you're using a wire nut. You can actually just put them together, and the wire nut will ensure that they twist. And give it a little tug, make sure it's in there good. With the wire nuts secured, I'm going to stick them back in the hole so that they're out of the way. And now we have these nice long tails that we can attach to the back of our doorbell. The back of the doorbell has two screws, so I'm going to attach one wire to each screw, and it doesn't matter which one you attach to which side. Just make sure it's nice and tight. Give it a little test to make sure it's not going to wiggle out. And then I'll do the same thing with this other one. All right, so now all the wires can be pushed back out of the way, and the doorbell should just snap into place. All right, with the doorbell snapped into place, I'm going to go and turn on the power. Now that the power is connected, I'll never have to remove this to charge it again, so it will continuously keep the battery charged. Whenever people come to your door, they simply push the button. It rings here, giving them audible feedback that the doorbell was received. It also rings on the home base, and since I have it hooked up to my chimes, it rings on my chimes as well. When I open this in my app, I can instantly see the person, I can hear the person, and if I want to, I can talk back to the person as well. I wanted you to see how the motion sensor worked and also the quality of the camera. So this is me walking up my sidewalk, and you'll notice right as I pass the flag, the doorbell camera turns on even before I interact with the doorbell physically. I was able to create a custom motion zone so that every time the flag blows in the wind, it doesn't set off the notifications. Inside the app, when I select the doorbell, these are the different types of events that I see. You'll see the top one says ring, meaning I rang the doorbell. The one below it just says human, meaning it detected a human that walked up, but I didn't necessarily interact with the doorbell by pressing the button. I have my motion sensor set to only pick up humans on my doorbell, but on my cameras, I have it where it picks up all motion. So you can customize those settings and change it up however you want. You can also determine how long of a video it records after it detects motion or after the doorbell is rang. I know you're interested in knowing whether we like the Ring Video Doorbell Pro better than the EUFY Video Doorbell 2K. And we like both. Both are very good quality doorbells. I'm not bashing Ring in any way. But the winner of this is the EUFY simply because there are no monthly monitoring fees. You can set up the camera and monitor it live from your phone, go back and look at recorded videos and all of that for completely free. Whereas with the Ring, for each device, I think it's $3 a month, or you can do up to $15 for $10 a month. And those prices may change over time, but that's the current rates for using the Ring monitoring system. I currently have 3 cameras plus a doorbell with EUFY, and I'm paying 0 fees for the exact same availability of monitoring from my phone in the app. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.